On this tutorial, we'll teach you how to subscribe to our website from a computer and from your phone. Go to your browser and type redesigned.com. Then, once you go to our website, you'll go to the navigation bar at the top of the page. Choose the tab that fits to your description. If you are a physician, click on the Physician tab. Once you are there, click on the button to sign up. The pop-up window will come up. Fill it out with your information. Once it's done, click on the button, Create Account. Now, if you are a distributor, go to the Distributor tab to create your account. Click the button to sign up. Fill out the pop-up window with your information. Congratulations, you are a member of Aurora Spine and Pain. Now, things may look different if you are using a phone to subscribe. Don't worry, we'll teach you how to do it. Go to your browser and type aurora-spine.com. You'll go to our website. Now, look at the arrow pointing down in the top right corner. Tap on it. Next, choose the tab that better describes you. If you are a physician, tap on Physician. And if you are a distributor, tap on Distributor. The pop-up window will come up. Fill it out with your information. Once it's done, click on the button, Create Account. Take a moment to check our website completely. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to help.